If your gallery looks too plain, this can instantly make it feel more premium. This circular rotating layout adds a more dynamic touch, which works well for portfolios, team sections, featured visuals, or product showcases. In this video, I'll show you how to create this flashing circular rotating gallery in Elementor using WDesignKit. Let's build it step by step. Alright, before we start, just make sure Elementor Free is installed and activated. Then, head over to Add Plugin, search for WDesignKit, and as soon as it appears, click Install, and then activate. Now, since we're going to use a Pro widget, we need to upgrade to the Pro version. So, click on the Upgrade to Pro button. This will open a new tab where you'll see multiple plans available for WDesignKit. Choose the plan that works best for you and make the purchase. You'll receive the kit and key once your purchase is complete. Now copy the key you receive and head back to the WordPress dashboard. You can either click on Settings or go to the WDesignKit dashboard. From there, click on Settings and then Manage License. Scroll down and paste the license key, then click Activate. Once done, you've successfully upgraded to Pro. Now we can enable the Pro widgets, so from here, we'll head into the Widgets option and open Browse Widgets. Now right here, search for Circular. As soon as it shows up, click Download and you're set. Once that's done, let's create a page and open it inside Elementor to use it. Alright, let's get started. Now if you want to build it from scratch, here's how you add the widget. Just search for Flashing Circular Rotating Gallery. Once it appears, simply drag and drop it into the container. And that's it. Your basic flashing circular rotating gallery layout is ready. From here you can add content details and change the styling. This is the manual method, but if you want a ready professional design, let me show you the shortcut way. First, remove the previous container. Now for the pre-designed demo, the link is already added in the description. Open it, and you'll land on the live demo page for this widget. On this page, you'll see multiple designer-made demos. Each one looks different, so you can simply pick what matches your requirement. For now, I'm picking this one. And on the right side, you'll see a copy button. Click on Copy. Now come back to the Elementor editor, right-click on the top corner of the container, and you should see plus paste. If plus paste isn't visible, don't worry. Just install the plus add-ons free, then in Extensions, enable cross-domain copy-paste, refresh the page, and you'll get the plus paste option here. Now click plus paste, and within minutes, the full professional design gets imported. After that, you can tweak colors, photos, text, anything you want. Now let's go step by step from here. First, go to Structure, open the container, and click on the flashing circular rotating gallery widget. Its settings will open on the left. We'll start with the Content tab. In Layout, you'll see different styles in the dropdown. Let me quickly switch through them so you can see how each one looks. And one quick note, sometimes after changing the style, the motion might not appear immediately. Just publish the page and refresh, and it will work properly. Now let's look at the Content section. Here you can update the title as you like. If you want to add an icon, you can select it from the media library. For now, I'll just remove it. Below that is the subtitle, which you can customize as needed. Next comes the Gallery section. From here you can upload or manage the images. You'll notice several images are already added. If you want to add more, simply click the Add Item button. You can duplicate an image from this icon and remove it using the Delete icon. Finally, we have the Extra Options section, so let's take a look. Here you'll find the radius settings for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Right now I'm changing the desktop radius, and you can see the space between the images increasing. Let me adjust the value again so you can clearly see the difference. And the same way you can adjust it for tablet and mobile as well. Below that is Image Gap, which controls the spacing between the images. I'll quickly change the value to 20, then 10, so you can see the images moving closer. This helps when you want a tighter layout. For now, I'll set it back to 40 and move to the Style tab. First is the Content section where you can quickly adjust the gap between the title and subtitle. Next is the Title section. From here you can customize the title, change the alignment, adjust padding, control the width, and also style the typography and text color. I'll quickly adjust the width here to fit the layout better. In the Icon section, you can customize the icon according to your design. If you want to change the subtitle font or style, you can easily do that from the typography settings. Then in the Images section, you can control how the images appear, adjust the opacity, height, and width so they fit nicely in your layout. And in the background settings, you can adjust the background size, choose a color, or even add an image from the media library. For now, I'll keep it simple and won't add an image here. And that's it. Now you know how to build this circular rotating gallery and turn a simple image section into something more visually engaging. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Elementor and WordPress tutorials.